Why keep paying those outrageous monthly bills for TV channels you never watch? It's time to cut the cord with the new HD digital antenna from You Must Have. Our amplifier signal booster with built-in next-generation smart IC chip and crystal clear filter technology gives you easy access to high-definition programming from ABC, CBS, NBC, PBS, Fox, and so much more, depending on your location, including the most popular news, sitcoms, and sports events, all for free for as long as you like. And you'll have easy access to over 500,000 movies and episodes of your favorite shows in breathtaking 4K Ultra HD for best picture quality, most vivid colors, and crystal clear sound. Our indoor HD antenna connects directly to your TV with the included 18-foot coax cable and AC adapter. Its state-of-the-art technology filters out cellular and FM signals, producing a clearer picture, low noise, and access to more broadcast signals with enhanced gain, range, and frequency performance. It works anywhere in your home with all TVs, new or old, and supports the 4K 1080p Fire Stick. TV reception and quality depends on the distance between the transmitting tower and your home. For best results, follow these instructions for installation. Installation takes less than 3 minutes. First, plug your antenna in your TV's coaxial port. Then, find a convenient indoor mounting position. The extra long cable makes it a breeze to try different locations to get the best reception. Higher is always better, and facing the broadcast tower will produce the best results. We recommend mounting it to a window if possible, and always keep the antenna away from electrical devices. Next, in the TV setup menu, select the antenna or air mode. If you're within 35 miles of a broadcast tower, set the antenna's amplifier to short range. Now, if you're ready to scan for channels, use the auto program channel search or channel scan command. Refer to your TV's manual for detailed instructions. Once you're happy with the antenna's location, use the included 3M mounting stickers to hold it in place. If you decide to move it later, be sure to repeat the channel scan procedure. It's time to say goodbye to the expensive cable or satellite TV service. Make the switch today to the new HD digital antenna from You Must Have.
This HD amplified digital TV antenna. I'm going to unbox it, install it, demonstrate it, and talk about it. I use it in its native environment, so let's go ahead and open her up. You get a feel for this fantastic product. Now inside of the package you see this. This is actually the antenna itself, which is going to go on the back of your TV. It's going to be out of sight and out of mind, so in part of this video you're not even going to see it while I'm talking about it because it will be installed. Alright, so easy to set up. If you have coaxial, you can just put it into the coax of your TV, or of course you have the USB connection as well. And if you're so inclined, I guess, go ahead, put that in, and that will power your antenna. So it's HD, it says it's a must-have, and it is pretty awesome. Now think about this, the cost savings that you can have. How much do you pay for cable? Think about that, per month, times 12, all that money you're throwing down the drain when 4K, HD, awesome TV with hundreds of thousands of movies is being broadcast to your TV right now for free and can be used with this simple antenna that you just put in the coax, connect it to your power, and you're good to go. Now you can put this anywhere. I'm gonna put it on the back of my TV. I know I get good signal there. But yeah, if you aren't getting free HD TV, you're missing out. You can get NBC, QVC, CBS, ABC, Fox, HSN, PBS, the CW, and Univision, all sorts of different channels, Nickelodeon, everything is broadcast nowadays. If you live in a city, you probably would be surprised at how many cool channels you can get for absolutely free. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this on the back of my TV, and let's check it out right about now. All right, folks, installation is a breeze. I went ahead and connected the coax to the back of my TV and connected the power. And now you come around and you can see I just have it sitting out front for ease of use. And yeah, I can have, in this case, NBC showing the Olympics. And it's all for free just because I have a great antenna broadcasting now live TV. And again, think of the hundreds and hundreds of thousands of movies Think of the cost savings of being able to cancel your cable, which you probably don't watch enough anyway, and the fact that you have just unlimited TV, unlimited over-the-air kind of antenna, digital 4K HD TV available to you at a great, great free price. All you have to do is pick up the antenna and it takes seconds to install. So a great little product. You can see it's just that thin. You can mount it to a wall. You can put it behind your TV. It does come with adhesive to do that. And it's not going to take up any space. So that's absolutely fantastic. And again, just, you know, I live in Tampa and I got 20 or so free channels. And I don't watch that much TV. So the fact that I'm paying almost $200 a month for internet or for TV is absolutely ridiculous. So if you're looking for a great opportunity to save money and get 4K, get HD, get high quality TV that sounds great, that looks great, available to you. And think about this, you got a TV upstairs, don't pay for that extra box, just put one of these. You got a little cabin in the woods, get one of these. You got that Airbnb that people are renting, get one of these. An absolutely great price, great product, and it's simple as can be. All right, folks, thanks for watching and adios, amigos.